talk to you. Let me talk to you for a minute. Yeah, motherfucker, yeah. Say all motherfucking day. Yeah. Yeah, motherfucker, yeah. Guns and brothers. Let's do it. You niggas stop talking. All you can do is choke. It's hard with my pistol shoved down your motherfucking throat. You talk a lot of shit. I swear you ever touch me, I'ma make you wish your mama never pushed you out of pussy. You niggas think I'm rookie. To hell with your thoughts. I got a pistol on me now with all the shells wiped off. Crucify them punk bitches, take his head off. When I see you through that scope, it's like your ass on the cross. Military gun with a whole bunch of rounds. When you hear that first shot, you better squat your ass down. Yeah, I can see your house from where I'm sitting. Fuck around and give your folks a little taste of Armageddon. Couple broken memories, make sure they don't forget me. Try to do shit right, but stupid motherfuckers, they won't let me. Yeah, come back and dump another 100 rounds. You gon' make me shut this motherfucker down. I come to set it off. I come to set it off in this motherfucker. Don't make me set it off. I come to set it off in this motherfucker. Don't make me set it off. I come to set it off in this motherfucker. Don't make me set it off. I come to set it off in this motherfucker. Don't make me set it off. Standing in the middle of the street with two guns pulled out. My gold teeth swimming through that alcohol that's in my mouth. Fuck they do to me to turn my smile to a mug. Ain't shit you can say to me, I got a gun with a grudge. Yeah, I hope you motherfuckers get the message. Big hole in his chest to give his soul an easy exit. It's getting to the point I can't conceal it. All my thoughts are filled with rage, I let them out so you can feel it. Yeah, you motherfuckers gon' respect it. If you try to calm me down, I open fire in your direction. I need to get this off my chest, you might as well just let me. Expect a bunch of shares to hit the ground if you upset me. All you hear is clink as they hit the ground. If you in a safe position, better stay your ass down. Yeah, ain't no mercy, nigga, look me in my face. In my mind, ain't no motherfucker safe. I come to set it off. I come to set it off in this motherfucker. Don't make me set it off. I come to set it off in this motherfucker. Don't make me set it off. I come to set it off in this motherfucker. Don't make me set it off.